Hello my beautiful people, Coach Gaby here, and today I have an awesome upper body burn. All right, we're gonna tone our arms, we're gonna get rid of that pesky flab, and we're gonna have fun. So let's get into it. All right, so we are gonna be doing 3 sets. The first one, I'm going to explain more, talk you through proper form, kind of like a demo. And then the other 2, we just go straight through it. Less talking, more doing, you enjoy the music, and that's about it. If you wanna do more or feel like you can only do less of those 3 sets, then that is totally up to you. Always listen to your body. If you are new here, welcome. It is a pleasure to have you. Take a second to press subscribe and ring the bell so you can keep up and you know when we post next. If it's not your first time, welcome back, Spelter. It's so good to have you here. All right, starting with our first exercise, we're gonna be doing an IYT, and it looks exactly as it sounds. All right, so with our arms, we're gonna be doing I, and then Y, and then T, all right? So making those shapes with our arms, but we're gonna be doing it bent over a little bit. So our feet are hip width apart, all right? So our knees are a little bit bent, no walking our knees. We're gonna push our hips back. We're down to a little bent over, and we're gonna have our arms right below you, but they're strong, okay? They're not flimsy, all right? Nice strong arms, straight back, and we're gonna go I, Y, T, all right? 30 seconds on the clock, so you go as fast or as slow as you need to. It's the beauty of a timed set instead of reps. All right, starting position, big breath, and let's begin. All right, so starting here, and we'll go I, Y, T. All right, and even as we're doing this, we are paying attention to the rest of our body, our spine health. We're not arching. We're not, hunched over. All right, we have a nice straight spine. Our core is engaged. You have a nice strong core. You're tucking in your tummy. All right, engaging the whole body. And very important is to remember to breathe. All right, finish your last set. 3, 2, 1, down, and then come up, roll your shoulders back, and very good, wiggle it out. All right, so our next exercise, we're gonna be doing chest flies. So starting with our hands out to the side, we're going to be bringing them in like so, and then open, all right? Close and open. But here, I really want you to focus on squeezing your pectorals, squeezing your chest muscles as you bring your hands in towards each other. You can even touch palms if you'd like, really squeezing that chest area, okay? And then releasing, bringing them back straight to your sides. You don't wanna go over, okay? Never open your rib cage, making sure your rib cage is nice and closed, and repeat, all right? 30 seconds on the clock. And begin. So even though we're just working out our arms, our upper body, we still have our entire body engaged. So our feet are hip width apart. We have that nice bend in the knees again. And your back is straight. Your tummy is nice and tucked. Your neck is nice and elegant. You got a nice proud chest, okay? We're not hunched over. We're standing tall, standing proud. And really squeezing those arm muscles. Very good. 3, 2, 1. Hold, squeeze, 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 and release. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Next, we have what me and Mare like to call unicorn taps, all right? We weren't sure what to call them at first, and this just seemed to fit, and it's so fun. So we're gonna have our hands up here. The back of our hands are facing each other, so your palms are facing outwards, right? And what we're gonna be doing is tapping the back of your hands together, all right? Really feeling it here on the outside of your arm, your shoulders. But try not to scrunch your neck when you're up here. You wanna push your shoulders away from your ears, all right? And pulsing here back and forth. You're really gonna feel it. It's such a small movement, but so effective, so great. I like to do those when I'm walking. So when I'm on a walk, I'll just walk and do this, killing two birds with one stone. So next time you're on your walk, try some unicorn taps. All right, in our ready position, feet hip width apart, bent knees, 30 seconds, let's go. Very good. Now, in this position, because our arms are up, it's kind of easier to open your rib cage, all right? But we want to close your rib cage, all right? We're not splayed out. Your butt is tucked in, your tummy is tucked in, and your rib cage is closed. Breathing, very good. Push those shoulders away from your ears, but your neck is still nice and long and elegant. Very good. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very good. Shake it out, bend those knees. Alrighty, for our last exercise of the set, all right, we're gonna be doing an up, down, open. So starting with our hands up, what we're gonna be doing is coming down, open, and then up again. All right, so starting up, down, open, up, down, open, all right? And before, with our chest fly, we were coming forward, right? But this time we're opening backwards. So this time I want you to focus on your back muscles, really squeezing your shoulders as you come back, all right? So starting up, down, open, up, down, open, all right? 30 seconds on the clock. Same standing starting position as before. And begin. Up, down, open. Very good. This one takes a little bit of coordination, so we're working out our body and our mind. But hey, who doesn't love that? Very good. That bend in the knees. All right, strong, correct posture. Very good. Smiling because we're having fun. And strong arms moving with intention. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1, and down. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Awesome job. That was the full set of our upper body burn. I'm gonna take a few seconds, grab some water, get ready for set number 2. But first, take a look at the time so when you come back to this awesome workout, you know where to begin when you no longer need the demo. All right, see you in a few. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, you know what to do, so we're just gonna go straight through the workout, less talking, more doing. Standing position, remember, throughout all those exercises, nice bend in the knee, feet are hip width apart, there you go. All right, straight back, shoulders away from the ears, long elegant neck, and proud chest. All right, first we have our IYT, bending over for this one. In starting position, let's get it. Almost there, you're doing really great. Keep pushing. Remember your posture, remember your breathing. 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Shake it out, and going straight into chest fly. 30 seconds on the clock, and begin. You can match your breathing with your movement, so as you open, breathe in and then close, exhale. Inhale, exhale, very good. Squeezing your chest. Three, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out, and get ready for unicorn taps. Starting position. Let's go. Almost there, you got it. Remember your posture, close your rib cage. Breathe, and 3, 2, 1, and down, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. And our last exercise, up, down, open, starting position. And let's go. Going at your own pace. Remember, you don't have to follow me exactly. You can go faster or slower, whatever works for you. Alrighty. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Set number 2, done. Ready for set number 3. Again, take a few seconds, grab some water, and get over to set number 3. I'll see you in a few seconds. First, we have our IYT. Bending over for this one. In starting position, let's get it. 2, 1. Very, very good. Shake it out, and going straight into chest fly. 30 seconds on the clock, and begin. One, very good. Shake it out, and get ready for unicorn taps. Starting position. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, and down. Very good. Shake it out, and our last exercise, up, down, open, starting position, and let's go. Alrighty, my beautiful people, that was it. You crushed 3 sets of the upper body burn. I hope you loved it just as much as I did. If you aren't subscribed to our channel, go ahead, press that button, and check out the rest of our awesome videos, because I hope to see you on the next one.